Hi, I'm Dr. Kyle Koerner, your corporate chiropractor. When discussing posture, we're often referring to the overall position of your body as you stand, sit, or lie down. One of the best ways to improve your posture is through motion. Changing positions frequently during the day, stretching, and specific postural exercises are all ways to improve your posture. Good posture helps you keep your bones and joints in proper alignment, which helps reduce the wear and tear on your joints and decrease the strain on the ligaments that support your spine. Here are some key takeaways. Good posture means keeping your spinal curves aligned and weight evenly distributed. Stretches and exercises can help improve your posture and reduce your risk of neck and back pain. Standing desks have been shown to reduce back pain by over 30% when compared to sitting at a desk. When creating a plan to improve your posture, remember that stretching and exercising are essential. Equally important is knowing where to start. Our postural and movement assessments can help you determine the best strategy to help balance and improve your posture, especially if you've been living with pain. It all starts with a phone call. We're standing by and ready to help. I'll see you next week for another episode of Corporate Chiropractic.